How to use Magic Eraser in Canva. Using the Magic Eraser in Canva is a straightforward process that can help you remove unwanted parts of your images or make backgrounds transparent. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use this feature. Open Canva and upload the photo you want to edit. Alternatively, if you're already working on a design, click on the image you want to edit. Click on the image to bring up the editing toolbar. Select Edit Photo from the toolbar options. In the left-hand menu of the photo editor, navigate to the Tools section. Under Effects, click on Magic Eraser. A brush size slider will appear. Drag the slider to adjust the size of the brush tip according to the object you want to remove. A smaller brush is better for precise details, while a larger one works well for bigger objects. Carefully brush over the object you want to remove from the photo. It doesn't need to be perfectly covered, but try to stay within the object's boundaries as much as possible. Once you're done brushing, Canva's AI will automatically analyze the area and remove the selected object. This might take a few moments. After the removal, assess the results. If there are any small areas left behind, you can use the eraser tool for further refinement. I hope this guide helps you use the Magic Eraser effectively in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.